Hi, friends. Welcome back to English Every Day, a podcast where I speak in slow, easy, and understandable English so that you can learn every day. And today, we are talking about families. We're talking about my family, and I want to know about your family. So comment down below, write a comment in the comment section about your family. Do you have a big family? Do you have a small family? How many siblings do you have? You already know this, but my name is Patrick. I'm an American and I'm from New York. I have a mom and a dad, and I have two siblings. So I have a brother and I have a sister, and they're both older than me. So I am the youngest. I am the baby of the family because my two siblings are both older than me. My sister is a year and a half older than me, so she's about 18 months older than me, and my brother is 3 years older than me. But I also have a lot of aunts, uncles, and cousins. I only have one grandparent. I have my grandma on my mother's side. She's the only grandparent I've ever met. My grandparents on my father's side, my dad's side, they both died before I was born. They passed away before I was born. And the same thing happened, unfortunately, with my grandfather, so my mother's father. So my mom was born in Poland. She's Polish. And my mom has 10 siblings. 10 siblings, which is crazy. And all of my mom's siblings, all of her brothers and sisters have wives and husbands and children. They're all married with children, which means I have a lot of cousins. I have so many cousins. On my mom's side, I think I have like 35 cousins, and some of my cousins have kids, so the family's even bigger. So I don't know what that's called, if I'm a cousin to my cousin's children, or if I am an uncle to my cousin's children. I don't know, but there are a lot of us. And my dad is one of 5, so he has 4 siblings. He has 2 brothers and 2 sisters. So there is 5 of them. And I have a few cousins on that side. My father, my dad, is American, but he's Irish American. His parents came from Ireland. So my grandparents came from Ireland. So I have 6 cousins on my father's side and over 30 on my mother's side. So I have a lot of family, and it's nice. It really is nice having a lot of family because you can rely on them, you can depend on them, meaning if you need something, you can ask them and they will be there for you. They will help you if you need help or if you need anything. I really love my family. I'm very grateful for them. I'm appreciative of them, meaning that I'm glad to have them in my life. So that's my family. I'm only 21 years old, so I don't have a wife. I don't have any kids yet. In the future, of course, I want one. But right now, I don't have a wife or any kids because I'm so young. Tell me about your family. Comment down below what your family is like. And remember, the text or the transcript for all of my videos, including today's video, is in my community. The link is in the description below. You have a 7-day free trial to join and make some friends who are also learning English. So, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.